Good morning, brand new unboxing video. This morning we're going to be unboxing the new Makita wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Model DVC152LZ. It basically arrived yesterday. UPS truck. I wanted to unbox it yesterday, but I was just too tired. It was a long day. So, I woke up nice and early this morning, 5 a.m. and here we are. So this video is probably going to be about 20 minutes, give or take. I'm going to be doing lots of rambling and yapping. See him. There's the cat. I was so excited from the video. So, let's put this away. So here's the front of the box. Side. Back. Side. Front. The unit was about $500 Canadian with tax, free shipping. If you look at my other previous YouTube unboxing videos, I've owned a few Makita vacuum cleaners. My first Makita vacuum cleaner, I believe, was a backpack. Then I had a handheld, like a dustbuster Makita vacuum. I never unboxed that one. I had another variant of this vacuum cleaner. It was the AC/DC version, where it came with a cord to plug into the wall, or you could just put on the battery packs and make it cordless. I sold that years ago. I don't know, bought other vacuums ever since, and then I bought a fully cordless unit like this, but it was a smaller 8-liter unit, and this is a 15-liter unit, so it's just basically taller. This model came out last year from Makita, so it is pretty new. So right away we get a 4 nozzle. Here we go. So, very nice. Quality is very nice. Metal base plate. You don't see a metal base plate on vacuum cleaners anymore. It's all plastic. The wheels are hard plastic. They are mounted on an inner metal axle, not a plastic axle, so that's good. You got wheels here. You got brushes, a squeegee. Yeah. This swivels. Very nice quality. Okay, so yes. So Makita gives you these type of vacuum bags. They are literally like grocery bags. They are like a bowl. So all the dirt goes into these bags, but like a bowl. But the top of the vacuum cleaner still gets dirty, the side still gets dirty, and the bottom of these bags still gets dirty, like underneath, like in your vacuum. So these bags are 100% shitty, junk, no good. Makita engineers incredible stuff, but I don't know what they were thinking with these shitty bags. So if you get these bags, basically just throw them in the trash. But, looks like salsa wants to be the start. Oh boy. Yeah, this is gonna be a long video, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, salsa. You're blocking the camera. Okay. So I bought these knockoff Ridger vacuums. Apparently they're for 3 to 4.5 gallon units, and that's what this unit is. This is a this is like a 4-gallon unit. And I did some measurements, and this lip hose hole assembly should fit the inner coupling of the vacuum cleaner. These are way better vacuums, but we'll try that out in a bit. Okay, I know I'm talking a lot, so I know you guys just want to see me vacuum and not hear my voice. Okay. Yeah, here's the hose assembly. This goes on the unit. This is where you connect your tubes. What's the length? Oh, I don't know, 9 to 10 feet. Quality is nice. It's a lot more better quality than your average shop vacuum hoses. Nice shop vacuum hose. So here's your tubes. The tubes are aluminum. Very light. I mean, they're probably like half a pound, if even that. But yeah, tubes are very nice quality aluminum. Look at the thickness. The thickness is about a few millimeters, so they're not gonna dent easily or anything like that. So here's one. You get a second one. Ooh, my house is very warm, so I'm sweating bullets. And yes, the heat is off. Yeah, so here's your long nozzle. So, if I remember, I own a similar variant of this vacuum cleaner, but if I remember, yeah, it connects like this, and this piece just goes on the either back or the side of the unit, like those Henry vacuum cleaners. So yeah. Okay, we'll put that to the side. So this just goes like this. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so how long is this? I couldn't tell you. Should be long enough. So, okay. Oh yeah, okay, that's not. It's slightly taller. Yeah, it is slightly bigger than the old versions. Ah, here we go. And you get, ooh, I forgot you got one of these. You get a nice little crevice tool. So, okay, let's get organized here. So does crevice tool fit directly on the hose? Yes. So you go vacuum like that. Or if you're just using the short pipe, yes, that would fit. Or if you're using the long pipe, yes, that fits too. So, yeah. Quality, nice quality. And you got a part number there. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but yeah, very nice quality. Okay, so here's a vacuum. For about 3-4 years, Makita has been developing the aqua vacuum cleaners, which are like about this height, 8 liters. This unit is, well, yeah, I don't know how big the meter is. What is this? So this is your warranty card. And here's a picture of all the stuff that Makita makes. Yeah, that's a lot. Let's put this up here. And here's your manual. What's the size? Okay, so what model is mine? Mine's a DVC15. DVC15 2L, yeah, so 12 liters. Yeah, mine's a 12 liter. Dust and water, 3.2 gallons. So, that being said, where are my bags? Okay. Oh boy, I'm dropping everything. Yeah, so 3.2 gallons, and these bags are good for a 3 to 4.5 gallon vac. So it should fit like that. So I'll give it a shot if it works. I got these bags off Amazon for $30, free shipping. You get 5. They are made by PowerTech. And that's the number, yeah, PowerTech 75017. So if you want these bags, there's your number. I don't know if they're gonna fit though. I'll let you guys know in a few minutes. So, yeah, we don't have any more stuff. That's it. So, that's it. That's all you get. Box is empty. So here's the unit. So you have a caddy back here. Makita. You can put your tools. You can put your wands. You name it. Yeah, just like that. What else can you put? Yeah, so. And it looks like that. Ooh, this is messy. Hopefully that picks up. Makita sells like 20 of these models. They have the small units. They have a HEPA filter unit, wet and dry unit, Bluetooth unit. They have a model that's just with the hose. They have another model with all the included tools. Then they have these big size models, HEPA, wet and dry only, Bluetooth enabled, non-Bluetooth enabled, small little thing, simple hose, no tools. This model with tools, so yeah, it's a little confusing. Okay, so yeah, okay. So buttons. So here's your master switch. Here's your variable switch selector. 5 speeds. Here you press this and it's able to tell you your battery percentage. And it has a big button up there that you can operate with your hand or your foot. And it has nice quality rubber bumper guard. Yeah, one thing to point out, I've owned about 40 vacuum cleaners. Makita vacuum cleaners, they are one of the best built units I've ever owned. They are the quietest unit. This is one of the quietest vacuums I've ever owned. And yeah, they're just engineered amazingly. So, and the batteries go in there. It takes 2 18-volt batteries for a total of 36. Let me grab the batteries for you guys. So you have 2 options with Makita battery packs. You can either buy 2 5-amp milliamp battery packs, genuine packs from Makita for $200, or you could buy 2 5-amp milliamp batteries, knockoff brands like this one. This one's by Flag Power, and I got 2 of these for about like $90. So is that in the view? Yes. So it just goes like that. Master switch off. Yes. Okay, that should work. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, then I'll be returning a dead vacuum. So, what's your battery percentage? We have half battery. Okay. Let's connect the hose. The hose is basically just a twist lock. Yeah, there you go. So, are we ready to rock and roll? Yeah, so let's do a sound test. Like I said, this vacuum cleaner is the quietest vacuum cleaner I've ever owned. So that's what I'm expecting. And I know that because I've owned a lot of other Makita vacuum cleaners. So yeah, so this is going to be a sound test on the vacuum on the lowest mode. Okay, let's go. Yeah, like I said, these are the quietest vacuum cleaners I've ever owned. Suction on low is pretty good. It's not super strong, but it is good. This is going to be a sound test on max. Remember, this unit has 5 speeds, but just to speed up the video, I'm not going to test out all the percentages, just low and max. Max, it's a little bit louder obviously, but it's still quiet. Yeah, that's a beast. Yeah, on Max, it will get the job done. Like whatever you need to vacuum, it's gonna vacuum on Max. Even on low, like I've owned, like I keep saying, I've owned other variants of this vacuum cleaner. 90% of the time, I'm using this vacuum on the lowest setting. It's all the suction I need. So Max, you only need max power for this vacuum unless if you're sucking up big buckets of water or like stones, like big stones like that, right? Besides that, yeah. So what I want to test out is those vacuum bags. So if you open this, you just latch it like that. You get a big quality handle. Yeah, so there's your float. There's your whole float assembly for the water pickup. Okay, let's put this like that. Yeah, there you go. And you get this cloth filter. Yeah, and this is basically the shitty bags you get. Literally just a garbage bag. So, what I'm gonna do is remove that, get some packaging out of the way. So there's a unit, bare bones. Oh. Now keep in mind I'm not 100% sure if this is gonna work. Oh. But we'll find out. I'll find out in a second. Okay, I'll keep that in there for now. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, fingers crossed. So these are the bags. I think I'm gonna probably have to do some, I don't know, let's see. It does fit. I should probably, let's open this up. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so I'm back. So after my attempt of trying to install these non-Makita bags in the unit, it just does not fit. Like it fits in the unit, but this is just too loose. It doesn't give you a nice good seal. I mean, it just wiggles inside. As soon as you tune on the unit, it's just gonna blow out of the port attachment nozzle materials. So don't buy those bags, and unfortunately you are stuck using these shitty bags until Makita releases decent bags for Canada, if they ever do. So until then, this is the only option, or you just run the unit inside bagless. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna bother with that. So I don't know, that's it. I mean, I hope I didn't miss anything. If you guys have any questions, I'll try to answer them in the comment section below. And yeah, like I said, the unit was about 500 bucks Canadian with all the taxes, free shipping. Build quality is an A, 10 out of 10. Noise level is, it's literally the quietest vacuum I've ever owned and you'll ever use. Trust me on that. I've owned 40 vacuum cleaners and I know when a vacuum is loud, horrifically loud, and when a vacuum is quiet. So yeah, there you go. Alright, that's the end of the video. I'm gonna clean up this mess. It's about 9 in the morning. So I'm gonna clean up this mess and what the heck, do some vacuuming and enjoy my new baby. Alright, enjoy your day. Hasta la vista.